Good day, everyone. This is the first week and the first day in the month of December. So, last month of November, we are thanking God for a divine profitability on our trade. Me and my followers are able to make some money. This is the last month in the year 2025. So, this month, I want you to prepare yourself and your mind to make money, and also we'll be praying for um, some volatility and the slow movement of the market. So let's start from DXY as I used to do, and let's go to weekly time frame. So when you look at the weekly time frame, this is the last week candle. You see we have bearish move for last week candle. So this is last week candle, and this is the a week before last week, and you can see for the past 3 weeks ago we have a bullish engulfing, so which we expect the markets to start going up last week, but unfortunately the market came down. And the reason why this market dollar index sold last week was a rejection area, which is a resistant level here. So we have resistant level, so market found it difficult to break that level. So this week, what are we projecting this week? So actually you can see that on the weekly time frame we have a minor pullback. These are a major movement, which is downtrend. But when you get to this place, started moving up. So you can see this is market is going up. So I want us to look at the zone. If the market find this zone, if you break it up this level, then we'll be looking in the markets for this week. We'll be looking for buy for dollar index up to this level, which is 101. Let's say 101.60. So 101.600, respecting 101.600. And if he refuses to break this level, then we'll be looking for the market to close below this support zone here. So market close here, then we'll be seeing markets starting, coming down. So let's go to daily and draw those levels very well. So this is demand zone. This is our demand zone. This is our demand zone, and this is a supply, the supply zone. So this is supply zone. So I say the same thing. I said the same thing that if market break above last week, that the market is going up. So you find it difficult to break above, so it started coming down. So this week we're expecting, let's see how the market will play out. So if the market should break above 100, 600, 100, 101, 101, 600, no, 101, 4, 450, 101, 450. If you break above 101, 450, 100, sorry, if you break above 100, 450, then we'll be seeing the market be going to 101, 700. Let's say 700. So we see market going to 101, 700. And this market found it difficult to break above this level, then we'll be expecting the market to come down. And let's look at our trend. Let's draw the trend. You can see if we pick this level, it's not correct. Pick it from this place. This is pick one. Then yeah. So now, how we not buy until market break? Now we not sell until market break this level. So let's go to 4 hours right now. So if 4 hours candle break below 4 hours, then we'll be seeing the market, rally down, rally down. So down to 97,500. This is this level, 97,500. So 97,500. So then if the market now find it difficult to break below and eventually break this 100, 450, then we'll be looking to take our profit around this place. So this is my analysis for dollar index. So let's go to gold. I sent a signal analysis. I did analysis on gold that if gold found it difficult to break this level, it was around this level. And I said that the gold is coming to 4 to 4 7. That's 4 to 4 5. Say it's coming back to 4 to 4 5. 4 to 4 5. So the market is also getting to that level. So any moment from this level, if the market gets there, then we can see gold coming down, start coming down. Or if it breaks, there's good. So let's see what will happen for this week on gold. Let's go to weekly time frame. So for some months now, and some months we have been seeing gold, going up. We have been seeing an uptrend for gold. You can see it's an uptrend for gold. Gold has been going for uptrend, but at a particular level started coming down. So gold start coming down on this. So and you can see the market went down then started going up. So I'm expecting this market to touch this level before we start coming down. But let's see what's going to happen for this week. So this is our, let's see our immediate level, which is resistance level, and let's see support. This is our support. Support at 4,000. Support at 4,000. So 4,000. So support at 4,000. Support at 4,000. So now, if the market break this 42.40, break 42.40, then you will be seeing the market rally low, go to 4,000, 43,800. 40, 43, see 43, 750. Okay. 43. Let's say 43.80. 43.80. So we're seeing 43.80. So let's go to daily time frame. So you can see at the daily time frame, this gold still maintain an uptrend. And we look at the patterns, that form can see W pattern around this place. And we're just expecting the market to break. If we break this level, then we'll be seeing the opportunity to take our profit around this place. So, but let's go to 4 hours and mark out the zones. Those zones. Okay. So these are the zones. These are the zones. So if you break off, then we see the gold coming back to this level. Coming back to this level. Coming back to this level. Or, going to this level. So for this gold, if you break above, then it will go up. And if it refuse to break above, then you can see opportunity to sell. So this is my analysis on gold. This is my analysis on gold. So, and before we place the buy, you can allow the market to break this level. Then you can look for opportunity to sell. So this analysis on gold. Let's go to another pair. So this is GBP. Last week I said that GBP is coming, that GBP will break this level. That GBP is going up. And it will eventually get to this place. But GBP broke this level and it ended on Friday here. So let's see what will happen for this week. So let's go to weekly time frame and see what the market is going to do. Now look at this. You will see that we have a bullish movement for last week. And look at the direction of the market. We have a downtrend. Then we have an uptrend at this place. So now, are we judging or are we saying that the market has broke the trend line, trying to be coming down? But let's see, it is the zone that will determine. So this is the zone, the supply zone. If the market breaks this level, we break above them, we'll be seeing markets, we'll be seeing good. We'll be seeing GBP/USD coming back or going to this place. And if we refuse to break this level, then we'll be seeing the GBP/USD coming down for this week. So let's go to daily and see. So look at the daily time frame. So we can see a pattern here, which is W pattern. So, and the market has broke, or it's just said is dancing or moving around around the neckline. So if it maintain its uptrend like this, if it break or stay at the neckline, above the neckline, so definitely this week we'll be seeing GBP/USD going up. So, and if it refuse to break above, then we'll be seeing GBP/USD coming down for this week. So this is W patterns that this market is trying to form. Let's go to 4 hours and see what we can see, get at the 4 hours. So at the 4 hours, we have our minor uptrend. So before we can place a sell for GBP/USD, we have to wait for the market to break, this trend, to break this uptrend, this minor uptrend. If you break this minor uptrend, then we can look for opportunity to sell. And if this market refuses to break and it maintains this, neckline, then let's presently wait for the market to break this resistance in order for the market to form double top. So if it refuses to break, then from here we can be seeing the market coming down. And if the market break this level, definitely throughout this week we'll be seeing GBP/USD going up, going up, and taking our profit around this place. So for GBP/USD, if the market fail to break above then I will sell. If the market break below the support level here, then I will sell. But if the market break above here, break above, then I'm going to buy throughout this week. I'll be buying. So this is my analysis on GBP USD. Now, this is Euro USD. Let's go to weekly time frame and see what happened last week for Euro USD. Now, Euro USD finished 2 weeks ago with bearish engulfing. So definitely that's supposed to be a continuation of what? Of this downtrend. This downtrend for Euro USD. But market find it difficult, to come down. So let's see what will happen for this week. So for this week, what do we have? So we're going to basically wait for the markets to break below this level. If you break this level, then you can see the market, coming down. And if you want to buy, we have to wait for the market to break this level in order to place or look for buy opportunity. So we have to go for the market to break this level. If it breaks, then we will see the market, going on. So let's go to daily and see what will happen. So on daily, you can see the market has been ranging for some times. For some days, this is, up, down, up, down. Then that we are still expecting this market to, touching this level. Then from here, market can now decide what is going to say. So if you touch this level, this zone, then market cannot decide this. So if you touch this level, market cannot decide what to say, either to be coming down or to be going up. But this week for Euro USD is not having a very good clear direction as it did last week. So this is the ranging. So but let's look at the trend. This is the trend. You can see this level. So this is our trend. What we are expecting is for the markets. If you break this level, then touching here, then we can see it coming down. And if you refuse to break that level, we can see a minor zone around this place. Can see a minor zone around this place. If you refuse to break this place, definitely we'll be expecting Euro USD to be coming down throughout this week. So this will be an area of an interest to enter sell. And if it breaks, we may not bother to take a buy until if eventually break this major zone. If we break this major zone, then we cannot have opportunity to buy. You see, start buying throughout this week. So for those who want to trade USD safe, let's basically wait for this market to break here for sell. I'll be waiting patiently for the markets to break this. At the 4 hours time frame, I'll be looking for the markets to break below this level, and I will look for sell opportunity. I'll be looking for sell opportunity. So for this week, let's see how it's going to play out. But if I want to buy, I'll have to wait for those markets to break above this level, and if it break above the resistance level, then I'll be looking for buy opportunity. But the way I'm looking at this market structure, this is, a ranging market for some, for some months now. A ranging market for some months now. So I still believe that it's possible for this market to come back to touch this zone, This is USD CAD. I predicted last week that USD CAD, if you find it difficult to break above, that is coming down, and you can see it eventually broke, the trend line and started coming down, and you can see. So it works the way I predicted. So let's go for this week. What are we expecting this week? So when we look at this movement, the structure of this market, we see we have uptrend, downtrend, then we have an uptrend. But you can see that this is we have a trend, a trend. You can see the trend. So now, last week candle was close as a bearish candle. This closed as a bearish candle, and we see that the market find it difficult to break this level. And as long as it's difficult to break the resistance level, that's why they push this market down. And we are still expecting this market to move this week. But where are we expecting it to move to? The direction. We don't know yet, but we trade what we see. So for this week, if the market break below, I'm going to sell. I will sell from here down to this place. And if it refuse to break below, break down, I will be looking for opportunity to start looking for buy. To buy from this place from support level to resistance level. So let's go to daily now and see. So at the daily level, we can see that the markets are yet to break the trend line, and at the same time, the support zone here, which is demand zone. So for this week, let's patiently wait for this market to break below or start moving. So let's go to 4 hours and see our candlestick confirmation. So can call this market close with a dragonfly, and we can see, or a doji, so which is bullish. As long as the market find it difficult to break this, so this week we'll be expecting a reversal this week, or we presently wait for the market to break below this zone, then see the market do a pullback and started coming down. And I mean, you will see the market come down, then do a retest. You will see the market come down, do a retest, and it will start coming down. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And in case if you are looking for a reliable and a very good broker, click on the link and sign up. They will give you 50% deposit bonus each time you are depositing. So this broker is a very good broker. I've been using this broker for more than 4 years now. I've been using them. They are doing good. No delay in withdrawing and no delay in depositing. Fast. They are very, very fast in withdrawing and deposit. So if you're interested, then you can also join my Telegram group. It's free. You can join my Telegram for free. I do post on a daily basis. You can join my Telegram channel for free. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you share this video. Please share this video to others. Share it, copy the link and share it to others. You can see what we have last week was a little up, down. See, the market, the USD was just ranging throughout last week. So let's see what will happen this week. Let's see a close candle for last week. A close candle. When you look at this market, you will discover that we have a bullish, trend, a bullish trend. But what we're after is to look at the last week candle that closed. So when you look at this last week, you can see that it closed with bearish candle. So USD did not move well last week, and respecting this zone, and it respected this zone. So that's why I found it difficult to start moving up. So for this week, what are we having for USDPY? I'm not having a very good clear direction for USDPY, but we can still look for opportunity to make money. So we can patiently wait for the market to break below the last 2 weeks candle, and we start looking for opportunity, to sell, or we wait for the market to break above this level. But for me, it could be very difficult for this market, for USDPY to break above. So let's go to daily now and see. Here we can see some key levels. Maybe you can see some key levels. Okay, so these are key level we can target on daily time frame. You can see these are key level. So if the market break below these key levels and break the trend line, definitely we'll be seeing it, coming down, even coming down up to this level. See, so and if it refuse to break, then you will see it, seeing GBP, USDPY, you'll be seeing USDPY coming up, going up to touch this level again. So let's go to 4 hours and see what the market is doing at the 4 hours. Okay, this is 4 hours. You can see. So me, I will not sell until I see a candle break below. If I see the candle break below this level, then I'm going to sell. And if the market refuses to break this level, and I'm seeing it breaking the minor trend line here, then I'll be looking for opportunity, to buy. So this week we need to be very careful. Then, especially every first week of the new month, of every new month, always be, watchful, and we need to be very, very careful when we want to place opportunity to make money in the financial market. So this is the end of my analysis for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share this video for others to benefit. Thank you very much. You can sign off with my broker, and they are going to do you well. Fast deposit and fast withdrawal. See you by weekend. Bye for now.